Hello and welcome to another Elliott Wave analysis. So today I want to update on Bitcoin. Right. So 3 days ago I update that Bitcoin is going longer. Right. So I mentioned that it's a wave 3 of 5. Right. And it's clear blue sky since that it is breaking new high. Okay. So I put in some targets over here. Right, stop loss, which was not breached, right, and then the near term take profit, and then going up to 115, right. So I also explained in this video why 115, right, because 115 is 1 is to 1. So if wave 3 is 1 is to 1, then this is 115, right. So we have already breached this target, right. And over here I just want to update on the wave count. Right, so over here wave 1 wave 2 never change, right, for this cycle 5. Okay, and then this breakdown of the wave 3 also didn't change, right. So 1 2, I mentioned that we are in a wave 3, right. So this, what you see over here is actually a completion of the wave 3 of 5, right. And also the completion of wave 4, and as of this moment we are going up to wave 5 now. I'll give the target for wave 5 later, right? But I just want to study this wave count, right? So um, over here, you see I've drawn a wave 1 here, then A, B, C, wave 2, right? So this one did not change, and the wave 1, 2. Let me click on this first, right? To focus on this, maybe I make this a bit thicker, right? So talking about this wave now. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and this is a by itself is a wave 3. Okay, and this wave 3 itself is also subdivided. Okay, so over here you see I have this red color one, right? So over here, let me just thicken this. Okay, you see that this wave 1, right, I do not need to thicken this, right, because there is no breakdown. And then wave 2, and then this wave, this is a wave 3, right? So this wave 3, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Okay, wave 4, and then the wave 5 itself also is broken down into 3 wave, 1 2 3 4 5, right. So over here, let me adjust this a bit. Okay, so this is how the breakdown for the entire wave 3 is. Wave 1 is the shortest wave, and we have extension for wave 3 and wave 5 in the sense that, you know, they are broken down into 5 waves. Okay, so let me just put this back, right. And then here we have this wave 4, right. So wave 4 itself is quite obvious, right. So this is like ABC X ABC, so it's actually a double combination. But as I explained in previous few videos, right, even though it's ABC, I would like to reserve the ABC, the I'm sorry, it's a WXY. I would like to reserve the WXY for higher degree. So I'll just put this as a ABC over here, right. So let me just change this degree to the same, which is the yellow one, minute degree. Okay, so this is the wave 4, and then we are going to wave 5. Now where will this wave 5 go to? Okay, so if you look at this Fibonacci extension using wave 1 and then project all the way to for the entire wave, right, you can see that there is a target at 119,300, right, or it's 119,258, and another target at 124,638.9. Okay, so which is the target? So either one is actually good. Okay, so using this wave 1, right, so let me just put in one line here first for here, right. So this is actually the 2.618 target. Okay, let me put in maybe this color, right, and then another line over here, which is the 3.618 target. maybe the green line here. Okay, so let's see. If I use wave 1 itself and project against wave 4, right? So this is the bottom of wave 4. Now let me just be a bit more precise over here. Okay, I just put it here, right where they touches each other. Okay, which price is looks like the better one, right? So over here you see that this purple line coincide with 0.618 times, and the green line will coincide near to the 1.618. So over here, with this wave itself still forming, right, you will have to do kind of like a subjective call, a personal bias, right? So personally, what I will prefer, right, is that it will go to this 124629, or rather 124769, right? So around this price, right? So but you know that this is one target also, and this is another target, so it's either 119240 or it's around 124629. Okay, so I have a personal preference, so I will do is I'll remove this and I'll keep this as a target, right? So my target is to then be around 124629. Okay, so I take the um I take the 3.618 of the entire wave for this entire wave 3. So let me see, one, two, yeah, entire wave 3. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So I'll say that this is around here. Okay, and where do I put the stop loss if I'm going to do trading? Okay, so let me do a long position. So let's say if you're here, okay, yes, you will put in a stop loss around here. Okay, below, the stop loss will be below wave 4. Okay, below wave 4. So this is where it will invalidate our Elliott wave count, right? And then I'll pull this all the way up to here. Okay, so but you must also take note that this count is not in will not be invalidated if it goes up. That means it breaks new high and then come down, right? Because that would mean that our call that this is a long is correct. It's just the trading side of things, where do you decide to take profit and stuff like that. So personally, I would say that once it breaks the high, you may want to start trailing your stop, right, to your entry point or something. It's up to you, personal preference on trading, right? But for me, I will probably take it out around 1 2 3 5 2 8 around here. So I give it, I will not, I will leave some money on the table, so to speak. Okay, so this is my preference on trading itself, right? So lastly, let me just put in this arrow. Okay, so this is the entire Elliott wave count plus how I would trade this setup. So that's it for now, and thank you.